teach Charles. Let's give Charles a big round of applause. And Felicia have teach KB from Nigeria. Let's give KB a big round of applause. And another one from Cambodia. Any leader from Cambodia? Any name? Naro. Let's give her a big round of applause. Now let me ask you. If 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the one doing BOP, easy or good? Good. Is it good? Am I right? Things will become easy. Now our goal here, we wanted each and every member to know how to present the business. Because our business here, ladies and gentlemen, my wonderful aces all over the world, don't forget that this business has something to do with sharing. Can everybody say sharing? Sharing. We will share the products, we will share the business opportunity in order for people to see what Dinings Global is doing, to see the wonderful business, the wonderful products that Dinings Global has, and the wonderful opportunity that each and every people all over the world can enjoy in Dinings Global. Let's give Dinings Global a big round of applause. So right now, again, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who hasn't yet registered, please register because at the end of our presentation, all these training modules, we will send it to each and every one of you so you can localize it. Let's say in Cambodia, in Malaysia, you can translate it into Bahasa, okay? Nigeria, oh my God, Nigerians are really one of the best people that I have met over the world. By the way, before anything else, I would like to say something about myself. So at least you will know me. My name is Mr. Renz. Can everybody say Renz? Renz! Right. I won't mention my age. Okay. I've been in this network marketing industry for 20 years. Okay, and I've stayed in Africa for 18 years. In fact, I was so happy because the time that I arrived here in Malaysia, last week, I checked the list of all the awardees. I was so happy because on the part of the awardees, one of my former marketing staff on my previous company, take note, he is a staff on our previous company. I saw his name in Dinings Global right now. He is already a Team Star awardee. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, I would like to appreciate, let's give a big round of applause. Amy, can you please stand up, Mr. Capitu from Lagos? Okay, thank you so much, Amy. Congratulations. I was really amazed because before, in fact, way back 2014, 10 years or 11 years ago, we are together at Lagos. We are doing the same thing. And he is one of our staff. Can we play the music? Can we play this one? Can we do this one? Can we arrange the chair? But he saw something. Okay? He saw something in this kind of opportunity. That if we produce millionaires, he himself can do it also. Yeah. And look at the results that he is having right now. Imagine a former marketing staff that is earning at least $100 to $150 in every month. Can you imagine that? And you don't have a choice. Remember, Davey, you need to come to the office 8 o'clock in the morning and leave the office 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. If you fail to go to work, no salary.
No salary.
Okay? But now he is enjoying financial freedom because of this wonderful opportunity. Wow.